Good morning, guys. How are you today? Such a beautiful sunny day in Koh Jum. Let's enjoy our breakfast. Check it out, that sun, guys. Such a beautiful morning. Coffee, orange juice.
It's actually mandarin's juice.
It's mandarin juice.
Pure, no water, nothing, just mandarins.
Alright.
Alright.
The last couple on Earth. Check it out, this beach, guys. There's like a jam rocky reggae bar right there, and that's it. But there's nobody in the bar. A helmet on the rock, and this is the magic.
There's no one in the little bar here, so it's only us in the whole bay. Only the three of us.
Look the size of these guys. Hey guys, you don't need to be scary, it's okay. I just found the exotic. Zoom. Look, that's a family. Grandpa, mama, everybody.
So we came to Koh village, and there is a restaurant here in the end of a small island nearby the port.
Thank you, Kra.
We're gonna try to see if they can make some Thai food for us in here.
Check it out, this place, guys.
Have boat.
You can eat there if you want. You see, she has a place there over the water. Check it out.
Eat here or eat over there.
Eat here or there. Thank you.
I think here is okay, right? We came to this place called Banti Ray Resort, so we walked down their alley to the beach. So probably this is Banting Ray Beach, and we are looking for the old bungalow because we saw online that they old lamp bungalow, because Destiny Gill saw online that they have a homemade bread, and we're gonna check it out if the bread is vegan. Hope so. Oh, and we found out that old lamp's closed by the hard way because these steps are nasty. It's very stiff, and I don't want that baby over there to be walking those steps, so we took them very slow so she wouldn't get very tired, you know. And now we are going to a restaurant we have been yesterday. Friendly restaurant. Ah, yeah, Fighting Fish, sorry. On Andaman Beach, because we really like it, their food.
They understood very well that we wanted vegan food, and they knew the concept. So, and the food was delicious.
And the food was delicious, so let's go there. 2 tofu
With basil leaves and vegetable.
one steamed rice and
Morning glory is coming soon.
morning glory for the babies.